Anatolia is one of North America's largest tile distributors. We've grown to the point where we've begun diversification from standard tile material to slab material, and that was one of the main reasons why we contacted Toromont to try to find a truck that was suitable for our requirements. The new truck has made a difference in our daily operations because of its ability to handle multiple tasks. It can offload containers, yet it can move A-frames. It basically can cover all activities within the warehouse. Previously, we were using 8,000-pound trucks, and we would have to use a couple of different trucks in order to accomplish all of our goals. We need one truck now, and that's a Mitsubishi. I mean, the one thing I think I can comment on is the support and the service, because at the end of the day, a lot of the equipment are going to be relatively the same. It's how the companies stand behind the product that make a difference. And up to this point, Toromont have been exceptional. Everything that I've asked from them, everything that we've asked from them, Toromont has stepped up and delivered aces.